Hi guys, in this quick tutorial we'll see how to install the ESP8266 board on the Arduino IDE. So now go to Files, Preferences and then enter the following URL into this field. If you already have the ESP32 board add-on, then you can separate the two URLs with a comma. After that, click OK. Then we need to open the Boards Manager. For that, go to Tools, Boards, Boards Manager. Then in the search box, type ESP8266 and click on the Install button. Now after few seconds, the ESP8266 will be installed in your computer. Once the installation is done, close the window and then you can select your board named as ESP8266. Here you will find numerous types of ESP8266. The one which we are using is the Node MCU 1.0 ESP12E. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to Vikram Tech and hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. See you in the next video.